dog didn't let me pet her. She was
No, it's just
putting her
a
head
Well,
up.
your
a
husband-
rambunctious dog. That's
And
all.
your
I
husband
just
kept
don't like
growling
the
her
dog.
up
I'm sorry. I
saying,
just don't like the
Oh.
dog.
saying, get her, you bad boy. You shouldn't do that.
You should not. This is your copy. Keep it in your apartment with your other leases. If
Okay.
you want to sign it, you can.
Okay, which
And then-
is the one that I need to sign and
No.
give back to you guys?
This is the
it
owner's
doesn't.
copy. This one you sign and give back to
No,
us. Yeah.
Clarice, you can't. Don't give her both copies.
Oh.
Just have her sign the one, and then.
And
we
then
can,
you're gonna make me make a trip over there to give her hers.
God, will you shut up?
She can keep this one in her
You're an
apartment
idiot.
while she.
No, listen to me.
I'm gonna do it my way or no way
Look
at all.
at, she's got her head down.
Don't do it.
I'm
You
just
stink
staying out of
rat.
it. I'm just staying out of it.
I'm gonna get the belt. I'm gonna get the coat
I
hanger.
ain't afraid of no. Don't hang her belt in her closet. Or you.
Clarice, just give her one copy.
Hey, Kelly, watch this.
Seriously. Just give her one copy.
Now,
The owners.
now, Mom and
This
Dad,
has
do
to-
I
that-
have to
it
send you to
does-
separate corners with no crayons?
Clarice, you know the rules. You just give one copy in case she accidentally loses it. We don't have to do it all over. Just one copy. She signs it, she returns it, and you can give her her copy.
Will you be returning on Sunday?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You know better.
Here, put this on the desk. That's her copy.
Alright.
I'm sorry I said I don't like your dog. She just wouldn't let me pet her, and
It's okay.
I don't know why she's
You don't
like
have to
that.
like her.
Why is she like that?
It's
She's not really treating you that well.
because, well, it's your husband. Every time you and he were at the same place as a dog,
Yeah.
your husband would say, get her, you know, and rile her up towards you.
He's freaking teasing.
And it
he
and it
wants
caused
to tease me because he
and
loves
it caused
me.
Ada to start having that reaction when she saw you.
Oh, he's trying to
And-
sick her on me. Kevin
Yeah.
was trying to sick your dog on me.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
So it kind of goes against her training and doesn't help.
Yeah, okay, I don't know.
But anyway, this is a gorgeous place. You're not going to have
Yeah.
any problems finding another renter.
You have
I'm
two more
sure.
months. You don't, and 2 more.